Hello everyone. Welcome to 7. In this video we will talk about upcoming astronomy events in 2022. This year is full of astronomical events. Let's start the video. Wolf Moon. January 17th. The first full moon of the year is named after howling wolves. In some cultures, it was known as Old Moon, Ice Moon, Snow Moon, and the moon after Yule. Comet 19P Borrelly at Perihelion. February 2nd. Comet 19P Borrelly makes its closest approach to the Sun. At Perihelion. The comet coordinates are right ascension 01h 29 meters 20s and declination plus 4.6 degrees. It becomes visible around 1925 UTC. Trio of planets bunched together. March. It will be a quiet start to the new year in terms of astronomical happenings. But good things come to those who wait as 3 planets gather in the early morning sky toward the end of March. Mars, Saturn and Venus will appear extremely close before sunrise during the last 2 weeks of March. The trio will be so close that they will be in the same field of view of some telescopes and binoculars. Lyrid meteor shower. April 21st and damp. 22. April is Global Astronomy Month, and folks looking to celebrate the night sky can do so on April 21st into April 22nd during the peak of the Lyrid meteor shower. The Lyrids will be followed up by the 8 Aquarids less than 2 weeks later, a meteor shower that can offer between 20 and 40 meteors per hour. This is also the best meteor shower of the year for the southern hemisphere. Partial solar eclipse. April 30th. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon covers only a part of the sun, sometimes resembling a bite taken out of a cookie. A partial solar eclipse can only be safely observed with a special solar filter, or by looking at the sun's reflection. This partial eclipse will be visible throughout most of the Southeast Pacific Ocean and southern South America. It will be best seen from Argentina with 53% coverage. Black Moon. April 30th. The term blue moon has become popularized in recent years to describe the second full moon in a calendar month, even though the moon does not turn blue in color. April's black moon is the counterpart to the blue moon, used to describe the second new moon of the month. New moons cannot be observed, as it is the time when the illuminated side of the moon is facing away from the Earth. Total lunar eclipse. May 15th and damp. 16. The moon will turn red during the night of May 15th and to May 16th. As the entire contiguous United States will get to witness the moon passing through Earth's shadow as long as the weather cooperates. Planets will align in order. June 24th. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn are all bright enough to be seen with the naked eye, and they will align in order before sunrise near the end of June. The rare alignment will appear just before sunrise on June 24th across the eastern sky. The crescent moon will also be in line with the planets, shining between Venus and Mars. Perseid meteor shower. August 12th and damp. 13. One of the most popular annual meteor showers peaks on a summer night, but this year the event will have some competition. Under ideal conditions, the Perseids can put on a dazzling performance with 50 to 100 shooting stars per hour, but hourly rates could be cut in half this year as the event peaks the night after a bright supermoon. Total lunar eclipse. November 8th. The second and final total lunar eclipse of 2022 will take place before sunrise on November 8th, although not all of North America will be able to witness the moon turn red. Geminid meteor shower. December 13th and damp. 14. One of the most anticipated annual meteor showers will also be one of the final astronomy events of the year. The Geminids peak during the second full week of December. The evening could turn out to be the best time to view this year's event before the moon rises. However, the meteor shower will be active all night with shooting stars, mainly visible in darker areas of the sky where the moon is out of sight. Thank you for watching.